Now we'll take another example. The question is कि find the length of the height. Find the length of the height of an equilateral triangle. Of side is 24 centimeter. Its side is 24 centimeter. Okay. Look at the solution. How will calculate the value? It's a A, it's a B, and it's a C. Then now A, B, C. Okay, is a equilateral triangle. नहीं तो A B C is a equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. That means what? In which all sides are equal. तो AB equal to AC equal to BC equal to 24 centimeter. So 24 is the side of the triangle. The question, okay? तो given side equals to, that means what? Value of A equals to 24 centimeter, and you have to calculate the height of the triangle. That means this is the height of the triangle H. You have to calculate this value. Okay. So before that, we have two formula to calculate the height of the triangle. Okay, we have two formula to calculate the height of a triangle. Okay, you can also use this formula, half into base into height. Okay, this is the required formula to calculate the height of a triangle. तो किसी भी ट्राइंगल का हाइट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं किस फॉर्मूला से? इस फॉर्मूला से. बट कंडीशन इज दैट कि व्हेन एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल इज गिवन, व्हेन एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल दैट मींस इज गिवन. What? The area of the triangle is given. Also you can use particularly for this triangle, that means what? A by 2 into root 3. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the height of the equilateral triangle. That means A by 2 into root 3 is the required formula to calculate the height of the equilateral triangle. Okay, you can also use this formula, but condition is that in that case obviously that means what? Area is given. That means क्वेश्चंस में क्या होना चाहिए? एरिया ऑलरेडी मेंशन होना चाहिए. एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज दिस. ओके, अब लुक एट दिस. तो एक्चुअली वी डोंट हैव व्हाट? एरिया. बोथ फॉर्मूला आर हियर बट वी डोंट हैव एरिया. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. Okay, it's an equilateral triangle. The area of equilateral triangle is area of equilateral triangle equal to, what is the area? Formula is root 3 by 4 into a square. Okay, we can use this formula, root 3 by 4 into a 24 पे whole square. Okay, 24 पे whole square. Now the value is root 3 by 4 into 24 into 24. We can write two times. अब look at this. 4 1 जा 4, 6 4 जा 24. So now the whole value is what? कि root 3 into 6 into 24. This will be equal to 6 4 जा. Okay, 144 root 3 centimeter square is the area of the given triangle. Okay, so now we have the area of the triangle. Now we can use the formula to calculate the height of the triangle. Now look at this. Now height of the triangle. Now height, H-E-I-G-H-T, height of, मतलब now we will calculate H. Okay, so area of triangle, area of equilateral triangle is कितना है? What is the area is? Area is 144 into root 3. Okay, area. अब look at this. The area is given. So what is the formula of height? कि A, so H should be equals to, for equilateral triangle कि H should be equals to A by 2 into root 3. A by 2 into root 3. अब look at this. कि H should be equals to A by 2 into, okay, look at this. So the area equals to what? 1 by 2 into B into H. This value is equal to 144 root 3. अब look at this. कि half into what is the value of B? So obviously all sides are equal. That means this one is 24, this one is 24, and also this one is 24. The base of the triangle is 24 and height we have to calculate, and 144 root 3. Now look at this. This value is cancelled by 2 and 12 h equals to 144 root 3. Okay, so finally h should be equals to 144 root 3, 144 root 3 by 144 root 3 by 12, make it 12 times here. So finally 12 root 3 centimeter is the answer. This is the required height of the given triangle. Okay, you can also put the value of root 3 1.37 and multiply, answer is given. Just another formula of to calculate the area of triangle is Hero's formula. Another formula which is related to the area of triangle is Hero's formula. Now look at this. Hero's formula, HEROS, Hero's formula, FORMULA formula. Sometimes it is known as Hero's formula. Look at this, Hero's formula. So this is the mathematician बोल सकते. He was the mathematician. Okay, he gave the formula to calculate the area of triangle. अब look at this. We have the formula of triangle कि right angle triangle when अब suppose that this is a right angle triangle. नहीं, so this is the required formula A half into B into H to calculate the area of this particular triangle. अब suppose that this is the equilateral triangle, this one is the equilateral triangle. So they have also it has also formula to calculate the area root 3 by 4 into A square. अब suppose that when the triangle is scalene, scalene triangle, that means what? A triangle is given, all sides are triangles. So, when a triangle is ABC and all sides are given and all sides of the triangle is unequal. Suppose this, मतलब what? AB not equal to BC not equal to AC. In that case, how we will calculate the area of the given triangle? We cannot use this formula because height of the triangle is not given. Okay, we cannot use this formula. Why? Because all sides of the triangle is not equal. In that case, we will use the formula of Hero's formula. We will use the formula Hero's formula to calculate the area of such kinds of triangle. That means this is the formula. After using this formula, you can find out the area of any triangle. Okay, area of any triangle, but it's a quite large calculation. That means long calculation. That's why most of the time you are using those two formula. That means this one and this one. This one is for especially equilateral triangle and this one is especially for right angle triangle and other kinds of triangle when height of the triangle is given. Okay, look, what is the Hero's formula? Suppose ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which it's suppose that it's a A, it's a B and it's a C. Okay, in which what? AB not equal to BC or not equal to AC. All sides of a triangle are unequal. Okay, all are. Suppose that AB is equals to A and BC equals to B and AC equals to C. These are the sides of the triangle. Okay, so let A, B, C, okay, are the sides of a triangle. Sides of a triangle. Okay, let A, B and C are the sides of a triangle. Sides of a triangle. Now look at this. Sides of a triangle, then S should be equals to half into A plus B plus C. Okay, so we can also write that A plus B plus C by 2. S is semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter of the triangle. So S is known as semi-perimeter of the triangle. So first of all, we will calculate S. So how we calculate S? So S is equal to sum of all sides by 2. Sum of three sides of a triangle by 2 is the value of S. Okay. So finally, we can use the formula area of triangle. Area of triangle. We can use this formula. The formula is that S minus under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C is the required formula. That is the formula to calculate the area of triangle when the sides are unequal. Okay, so you have to follow this formula to calculate the area of such kinds of triangle. Okay, so this is the formula. So S is the semi perimeter, A and B and C are the sides of the triangle, and finally area of triangle is root under S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, S minus C. Look, we will take an example. We will take an example which is given in your exercise. Find the area of a triangle in which, question is that, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of a triangle, okay, in which A equal to 13 centimeter, B equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, so it's a 14 centimeter, it's a 13 centimeter and it's a 15 centimeter. Okay, it's a 15 centimeter and C equals to 15 centimeter. This is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. Now look at this, how we will calculate the area. So we will use Hero's formula. So first of all we will find S equals to what? A plus B plus C by 2. Now look at this. What is the value of A? 13. What is the value of B? 14. And what is the value of C? 15 divided by 2. Divided by 2. So now 13 plus 14, so 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 3. 12 ka 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 42 by 2, yani ki 21. So what is the value of S? And therefore S equals to 21 centimeter. Okay. Next, area of triangle. Next, area of triangle. Area of triangle. So root under what? S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, now look at this. Okay, what is the value of S? 21, 21 minus 13 and 21 minus 14 and 21 minus 15. Okay, now look at this. Okay, 21 into 8, 21 minus 13, 8, 7 and 6. Now look at this. We will simplify this question number. So say 27 can be written 7 into 3 y. अब suppose को सबको multiply करेंगे. We will multiply all the numbers and we will find the square root. Okay, it's a quite complex. That's why we will what? We will write the number in prime factor. Okay, so 7 into 3, 4 into 2 and also 7 and also 3 into 2. Now look at this. Okay, 3 into 2, 6, 7 into 7, 1, 7, 4 into 2, 8 and 3 into 7, 21. So now the value is 7 into 7, 3 into 3, okay, 7 into 7, 3 into 3 and 4 into 2 into 2. Now look at this. Under root, so finally 7, 3, 2 and 2. देखो पेयर में एक एक बाहर आएगा. Okay, now 21 into 4 equals to 84 centimeter square is the required area of the triangle. Okay, so I hope you will understand. If there is any confusion and any doubt, okay, so please comment on your WhatsApp group at time 7 o'clock evening. Okay, and rest of the questions, exercise 20D, as per your possibilities you have to solve. Okay, you have to practice on it. If there is any confusion during the calculation, you can ask me. Okay, you can text on your WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.